kayo Nongseng kam lajong na kani Jylla mikalaya kabasngi katah kalai baksau tarip kala Thnem State Convention Center Shillong na kajingwan ginong Thied na ki khandu Tylli giri kaprothai ha kani kayo kitiar kita kidai gibra sina bat penmi hi giba sengkam lajong na kani Jylla kentup kitiar sina kti bat kiwei bat kimar giba penmi na kani Jylla kum kiso kejul bat kiwei ya kani kayo la pelong dak tanat commerce and industries Rasoka Mikhalia Rengkat ke Federation of India Export Organization batla ai keteng kum ka reverse baya sela meat aja Briew si benta ban plilat yagi Briew na kani Jylla ban ya kendu yagi nong Thied na bari ban penja yeu yagi marjongki ha kani ka yeu gidan kumba apro prangut kinong Thied na bari kibrami khmat nagi khandu Tylli giri kentup nari South Africa Zimbabwe Slovakia Turkey Nepal, New Zealand, Russia, Bahrain, Kenya, Australia, Uganda, Gambia, Azerbaijan, Sri Lanka, Canada, bat Romania. Kumba sis pangut kinong di kibra register haka MSME na keleng ka Jylla ke awan bandi gimar jongki. La sakhilang ya kani yau da umtang ba ka Jylla u konrat ke sangma u sumbut bitang ba ka Jylla ba sneu balang dhar u chief secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed bat kiwei
and the northeastern regions as a whole. A reverse biosolar meet is fundamentally different from conventional exhibitions or trade fairs. While exhibitions primarily focus on display and promotions, an RBSM is a structured, outcome-oriented platform designs to facilitate direct business-to-businesses engagement. Here, international buyers are invited to the states, matched with identified sellers and provided a focused environment for discussions on product specifications, quality, standard pricings and volumes, and long-term sourcing arrangement. The emphasis is not